Welcome to Shared Regulatory Services. Croeso I Wasanaethau, Rheoliadol a Rennir. SRS protects the health, safety and wellbeing of over 670,000 residents across Bridgend, Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. We work across 3 councils, 3 communities with one shared purpose: keeping people safe. SRS brings together environmental health, trading standards and licensing under one integrated service.
Our teams work across homes, businesses, farms, ports and public spaces.
We respond to thousands of inquiries every year, from noise complaints to food safety, from road traders to infectious disease.
Everything we do supports fairer economies, healthier communities and safer environments.
We make sure the food people eat is safe, hygienic and accurately described.
Our officers carry out inspections, sampling, allergen checks and food hygiene ratings across thousands of businesses. At the port, we make sure that anything arriving by ship or aircraft does not introduce unsafe food, disease or other health risks into the country.
From street food to supermarkets, we're there to keep the public safe.
We protect consumers and honest businesses by tackling unsafe products, scams and counterfeit goods. Our work covers everything from age-restricted sales to product safety and environmental claims.
We test goods, investigate complaints and carry out enforcement operations across the region.
Our UCAS accredited metrology lab, the only one in Wales, ensures accuracy in weights and measures.
Fair trading builds trust, supports the economy ac yn amddiffyn y rhai mwyaf agored I niwed.
Regulatory apprenticeships are helping develop the next generation of trading standards and environmental health professionals in Wales.
As apprentices, we work across different teams, learning directly from experienced officers and gaining real-world skills.
Rydym yn ymchwilio masnachwyr twy llodrus a troseddau ar garreg y drws. Our safeguarding work protects vulnerable residents ac yn helpu dioddefwyr I gael cyfiawnder. We work closely with the police, social services and community groups to help prevent harm. Every intervention makes a difference, often at the most critical moment.
We work with landlords and tenants to ensure warm, safe and healthy homes.
Our officers inspect HMOs, tackle damp and mould and respond to complaints about poor housing conditions.
We support students, families and vulnerable residents living in the private rented sector.
We work to bring empty properties back into use, improving neighbourhoods and increasing housing supply.
Good housing is the foundation of good health.
And we are proud to play our part.
We investigate noise, smoke, odour and air pollution that affects people's daily lives. Our work involves monitoring air quality, responding to environmental complaints and regulating industrial emissions. We help communities enjoy cleaner and healthier environments, from busy city streets to rural villages. We support local air quality management, helping councils plan for a greener future. Protecting the environment safeguards public health.
Our team investigates cases, supports care homes and provides expert advice to businesses and the public. We work closely with health boards and national partners to manage outbreaks and protect high-risk settings.
Our team interviews confirmed cases of communicable disease and offers expert advice to citizens. We manage outbreaks of illness in high-risk settings to mitigate the risk of transmission and to keep our vulnerable people safe. We ensure the health and safety of both employees and non-employees in the workplace by investigating accidents and by carrying out visits which focus on national priority topic areas and local level concerns.
Public health protection is at the heart of what we do.
We protect the welfare of animals and help prevent the spread of animal disease. Our wardens respond to straying animals, support livestock checks and work with farmers and pet owners. We ensure animals are transported safely and feedstuffs meet legal standards. Healthier animals mean healthier communities.
We licence taxis, pubs, events, street traders and a wide range of activities across the region.
Our work ensures that businesses operate safely and legally. We support the nighttime economy, major events and local festivals.
Licensing helps create vibrant, well-managed communities where people can enjoy themselves safely.
We tackle illegal money lending across all 22 Welsh local authorities. Our team investigates loan sharks, supports victims and works to prevent exploitation.
We deliver education and awareness sessions to warn people about the dangers of illegal money lending.
Our work protects some of the most vulnerable people in Wales.
We support businesses of all sizes who operate across council boundaries by providing expert and consistent regulatory advice. Our training courses cover things like food safety, allergens, health and safety, infection control, and more. Our income generation work helps to protect our frontline services at times of financial pressure. We're proud to support local businesses while strengthening the resilience of our service.
Our business support team underpins everything that we do within shared regulatory services. They provide the central admin support that keeps our operations running smoothly across all 3 councils. From managing customer inquiries, providing key operational support and maintaining our systems, they are at the heart of our service.
Our strength is our people. Skilled, dedicated professionals committed to public service.
We work collaboratively across teams, councils and communities.
We're flexible, responsive and always ready to adapt to new challenges.
Every day we make a real difference to the lives of residents and for businesses.
Shared regulatory services. Safeguarding health, protecting communities and supporting the local economy across Bridgend, Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. 3 chyngor, 1 gwasanaeth. Tîm Wasanaethau, Rheoliadol a Rennir. 3 councils, 1 service, 1 shared commitment to public protection. Team SRS.